Welcome to the Boss's Kitchen. Today we're making a tasty potato fry. The ingredients for this are potatoes, chili powder, salt, and oil. First, let's turn on the stove. And then let's put this pan on the stove. Let's warm up this pan by putting some oil on it. Let's leave the oil to warm up for a little while. Make sure to spread the oil all around the pan so that the oil doesn't just stay in one place and warm up just in that one place. Instead, it warms up the whole pan. Those are two of the three ingredients you'll need for this dish. Those are potatoes and chili powder. Okay, now let's add in the potatoes to the pan on the stove. Okay, now let's add in some salt. You have to mix the salt into all the potato pieces so that instead of one potato piece having all the salt and being very salty, all the potato pieces have salt and it's nice and even. Okay, now let's add in some chili powder. The more chili powder you add, the spicier it will be. As I said with the salt, be sure to mix the chili powder around the potatoes as well so that all the potato pieces are nice and spicy. Okay, now just leave it to fry for a little bit. After it's done frying, all that's left to do is put it on a plate and enjoy. Thanks for watching The Boss's Kitchen. Be sure to subscribe